On Friday the 1st of May, the movers and shakers from London's Russian community turned out to crown the winner of Miss USSR UK.
I made it to the finals and I'm really excited about it. I would love to be Miss Lithuania.
I believe that the real Miss USSR should be, beautiful not only from outside but inside as well.
18 stunning ladies from the former Soviet Union strutted down the catwalk in swimsuits and gowns designed by Elizabeth Emanuel, who created Princess Diana's show-stopping wedding dress. The champagne and vodka flowed freely at the event, and guests showed off their designer clothes and glittering jewels. The evening was compared by Lizzy Cundy and Julian Bennett, and attended by stars of the reality TV show Meet the Russians. The glistening tiara was given to 22-year-old Anastasia Gabris from Lithuania.